Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to treat you to a very special place in my hometown. It's the Kingsway Leisure Centre, which is the old swimming baths. It's been here for a long time. I should do my research really, shouldn't I? But it has been it's been here for as long as I can remember, before I was born anyway. And they're destroying it, as you can see. They're taking it apart brick by brick, and it's actually quite sad to see, to be fair. I learned to swim in this pool. There used to be a slide there in that, on the bit on the right hand side, and the main pool was there where that green digger machine is. Yeah, it's obviously just a hollow shell of what it once was. Had some great football and basketball courts in there, squash court as well. Had a nice gym upstairs, nice viewing balcony. It was a very, very special place. I took part in many competitions in this Olympic-sized swimming pool. And you know, I've got some very, very fond memories, so I always don't mind. I just wanted to capture the moment of them bringing it down, you know. Sad to see it go, but if you stay tuned, I'm going to take you to only round the corner from this site, where they've just built a brand new leisure centre anyway. So it's not like the community's lost out on it. They have replaced it. But literally, as soon as that one was built, they've just took this one down straight away, like. And as I say, I'll go just down the road here, round the corner, and show you that new place in a bit. But I just thought I'd capture this place here now as best as I could. You know, I don't want to get too close. Didn't want to become a distraction for any of the lads working on there. There is a security guard on the fence there as well, but I think he's sleeping. Just have a look around there. You can see there's the new place there around the corner. There's the Mersey Gateway Bridge. There's the iconic towers. And it's pretty much all the Widnes you can see here. This is Asda. Let's go and have a quick look at Asda, shall we? So we're still staying within VLOS, so we can just have a quick gander at what's going on in here in the yard. Back in my lorry driving days, I used to reverse many of Arctic trailers onto that bay there. Those were the days. Yeah. But look at that anyway. There's the leisure centre. And in the distance there you can just about make out the old bridge. Widnes Runcorn Bridge. And as I say, the new leisure centre is just around the corner. Do a right at that roundabout up there. But yeah. So, looks like they're doing a really good job, to be fair. The site looks tidy. They're hosing it down, you know, keeping it nice and safe. Preventing any dust from flying into the air and getting carried, you know. Got to look after the old air pollution and that, you know. Yeah, so many of you might find this quite boring, and if you do, feel free to click onto another video. But you know, if not, stay tuned. I'll just let you enjoy some of this footage instead of rabbiting on for another 5 minutes. Alright guys, enjoy.
Here he is. Security guard. Having a little nap. Good lad. That's what you do, innit? You know what I mean? You go to work, you have a nap. You go home. You sleep. And that's it. So, good on him. The circle of life continues.
So this part of the building here, it's the last remaining part of the building, which is, I'm quite glad they've kept this bit because it's iconic for the Widnes town folk, you know. Back in the day that had a water slide right from the top roof down into the pool at the bottom. It was absolutely amazing, it was. And it's sad to see it go.
Kingsway Leisure Centre in Widnes, which closed after over 40 years of service, has been replaced by the new £30 million Halton Leisure Centre on Moor Lane, which opened on February 10th, 2025. Kingsway Leisure Centre, located on Kingsway in Widnes, served the community for over 40 years. Here you can see the home of the greatest rugby league team in the world, the Widnes Vikings. The Widnes Vikings are an English rugby league club in Widnes, Cheshire, which competes in the Betfred Championship. The club plays home matches at the DCBL Stadium. Founded as Widnes Football Club, they are one of the original 22 rugby clubs that formed the Northern Rugby Football Union in 1895. Their historic nickname is the Chemics, after the main industry in Widnes, but now they use their modern nickname, the Vikings. The new Halton Leisure Centre was constructed at Moor Lane, with construction led by Waite Construction and designed by Ellis Williams Architects. The new Halton Leisure Centre opened its doors on February 10th, 2025, replacing the 40-year-old Kingsway Leisure Centre. The new facility includes a 25-metre swimming pool, learner pool, a large gym, sports hall, fitness studio, squash court, steam room, sauna and large changing rooms, including a changing places facility. The demolition of the former Kingsway Leisure Centre building is planned to unlock the final parcel of land required for the redevelopment of the Kingsway Quarter site.
So yeah, enough of all that anyway. This is the new site. And on first glance, you'll notice it's a lot smaller than the original Kingsway Leisure Centre. So yeah, hopefully inside it's nice and modern and it's still got all the facilities the original place had. I've not actually been in there myself yet. I tried to go in when it first opened, but it was just chaos inside, and there was only one girl working on the desk, so I jibbed it and went somewhere else. So yeah, as you can see, it's a nice looking building. It's a beautiful day as well. Really, it's a wonderful day to be out flying the drone. A little bit of wind, but nothing that's gonna deter us from achieving our goals here today, which is to capture this new stunning piece of architecture. As I said a little earlier, I have very fond memories of learning to swim and achieve many plastic medals during my swimming years in school, and I hope that I can create some great memories here as well in this new place. I don't yet know how much it is for a membership, but I will put it up on the screen here for you all to see now. And I imagine it's going to be more expensive than the original Kingsway Leisure Centre. But that is to be expected with the modern facilities that need paying for by the common man. Here we're zooming into all the air conditioning units just to check that everything is nice and as it should be, and it is. You can see how clean it is. Wonderful to look at. Nice view down towards Speak Road. This is the old bus station you can see here that has been abandoned. I might do a sneaky episode on that one night. Might even do a little Urban Explorer inspired video inside. For now, we're just viewing this new leisure centre. On the left here, you've got the local GP surgery. Yeah, I'd like to get a little bit lower, but I don't want to be silly. Don't want to take any chances. I want to stay visual line of sight there, so get any lower than that, wouldn't be able to see it. Safely crossing, there's zebra crossing there. Well done. Happy days. And that's the college. That tower, I believe, is a college, but across the road you could just see there is the old Kingsway Leisure Centre. So we're not far at all. That's the library on the corner. Let's go and take a look, shall we? I like flying over roundabouts. I like the visual aspect of the cars circling the roundabout. It's very nice to look at.
And that car goes off, passes the library. Oh, nice little commemoration of birds there underneath us. And we're going to turn around and look back up towards the new leisure centre. Such a beautiful town. Nice view of the old place, and a nice view of the new place. So yeah, it was starting to get a little bit windy, and if I remember correctly, this was where I decided to bring it down now. So yeah guys, that's about it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're still here, give us a thumbs up. You know, let us know. I appreciate it. I appreciate you watching. And stay tuned for the next one, because who knows where we'll be with the drone in the Ozone Drone show. Nice one, guys. See you later.